This is question 36 of the 2013 KCPE paper, and it says, the table below shows a timetable for an airline which flies the Nairobi-Kisumu-Mombasa route. So we have some flight times here. The first one, this one here, flight 209, it departs at 8:25 in the morning and arrives at 9 o'clock in the morning. The second one is a Mombasa to Nairobi flight 210. It departs at 1430 hours or 2:30 in the afternoon, and it arrives at 3 in the afternoon. The third one is a Nairobi to Kisumu flight. This is flight number 211 or 211. It departs at 1645 hours or 4:45 p.m. and arrives at 5:30 p.m. And the last one is a Kisumu to Nairobi flight 212 or 212, which departs at 6:45 p.m. and arrives at 7:30 p.m. So the question we are asked is, what is the difference between the time taken by flight number 212 to fly between Kisumu and Nairobi and flight number 210 to fly between Mombasa and Nairobi? So we need to work out two journey times and then find the difference between them. So this first journey time, Kisumu to Nairobi, and then this second journey time, I'll use another pen to highlight so you can see the difference, Mombasa to Nairobi, and then work out the difference. So let's first work out this journey time of the Kisumu to Nairobi flight. So which one is it here? It is the last one here. So it departs at 6:45 and it arrives at 7:30. So we need to work out the time between 6:45 and 7:30. Well, the time from 6:45 to 7 is 15 minutes, and the time from 7 to 7:30 is 30 minutes. So the total journey time is 45 minutes for this first flight. For the second flight, the Mombasa to Nairobi flight, which one is that? So that's the second one down. It's this one here. I'll highlight them both so you can see clearly. For the Mombasa to Nairobi flight, it departs at 2:30 and it arrives at 3 o'clock, so it takes 30 minutes. If you can't do that straight away, my advice for answering a question like this would be to perhaps convert it from a 24-hour clock style to a 12-hour AM PM clock style, because that might make it easier for you to read the times. Also, another tip for answering a question like this would sometimes be to draw a clock face and count round the clock face. Okay, so back to the question. We've managed to do the first part and work out the journey times, 45 minutes for one and 30 minutes for the other. The difference between 45 and 30 minutes, 45 minus 30 is 15 minutes. So the answer is 15 minutes, and the answer is A, 15 minutes.